அடியார் எம்பெருமானார் ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம், ஜீயர் திருவடிகளே சரணம். ஆடி ஸ்வாதி, garudAzhwAr's திருநக்ஷத்திரம். garudAzhwAr is also known as வைனதேய, பக்ஷிராஜ, பெரிய திருவடி and so on. He is one among the Nityasuris. While listing out the important Nityasuris, our elders, Purvacharyas, start with Ananta, Garuda, Vishwaksena and so on. Here, this garudAzhwAr is an important Nityasuri who is both Bhagavan's vehicle as well as Bhagavan's flag. Garuda Vahanatvam, that is riding the Garuda, is highlighted as an important quality of Parabrahman, Bhagavan, Sriman Narayana. The Supreme Lord is always identified with the vehicle named Garuda. This garudAzhwAr, also takes birth in this world to serve Bhagavan. He is born as the son of Kashyapa Prajapati and Vinata. Many Puranams, Itihasas show the greatness of garudAzhwAr. In fact, there is a separate Purana named Garuda Purana on his name. garudAzhwAr is glorified as the embodiment of Vedam. Vedam is fully focused on explaining Bhagavan, revealing Bhagavan. garudAzhwAr is always carrying Bhagavan. That is why this Garuda Vahanam is very special for Bhagavan. Just as Vedam is always pointing to Bhagavan, garudAzhwAr is always pointing his hands towards the Supreme Lord, Sriman Narayana, and carrying him. Alvars and Acharyas have greatly glorified garudAzhwAr's qualities. The word Kinkara means servitor, servant. Kainkariam is related to this word Kinkara. The act done by a Kinkara is Kainkariam, service. garudAzhwAr is considered as the ideal servitor of Bhagavan. Anytime Bhagavan desires to go and help his devotees, garudAzhwAr is always ready and waiting. It is said in many places that garudAzhwAr is more eager than Bhagavan to help Bhagavan's devotees. garudAzhwAr's Tirnakshatram is celebrated in many places on this day of Adi Swati, especially in Pandiyanattu Divideshams, that is in deep south of Bharatadesham. His Tirnakshatram is celebrated in a grand manner. Specifically in Alvar Tirunagari Dividesham, his Tirnakshatram is celebrated for 10 days in a grand manner with Thiruvaimozhi recital every day. He is present in the northeastern corner of the fort wall surrounding the temple in Alvar Tirunagari Dividesham. In addition to Alvar performing Mangala Shasanam to Bhagavan in this Dividesham, he has also performed Mangala Shasanam to garudAzhwAr. That is why in this Divijesham his Tirunakshatram is celebrated in a very grand manner. On the final day there is a grand Tirumanchanam, Abhishekam, which is done to garudAzhwAr. Devotees of the town gather around. They bring milk, fruits, water and so on, and a grand Tirumanjanam will be performed to garudAzhwAr. Subsequently, he will be beautifully decorated with lots of garlands, wonderful ornaments and so on. In the evening, there will be grand Sathumurai of Thiruvaimozhi. In this way, garudAzhwAr's Tirunakshatram is beautifully celebrated in Alvar Tirunagari. Same is seen in other Divijeshams as well. We all have to look up to garudAzhwAr as the ideal servitor. Let us remember his glories on this auspicious day. Alvar Emberumanar Jiyar Thirudigade Sharanam, Jiyar Thirudigade Sharanam.
To learn such valuable information about our Sri Vaishnava Sampradaya, please download KOYIL, KOYIL app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Our website is koyil.org, KOYIL.org.